Hey viewers, so today we'll be discussing one of the most difficult questions that was asked in your JEE Mains 2024. The reason why this question is considered to be the most difficult one is that it's because of the topic on what it was chosen. So this question is primarily from your number theory. So usually students focus on calculus and trigonometry. This question was asked from your number theory. So if your basics are strong, then you can crack this question very easily. So let's get started with the problem. So in the question they are given us a set which consists of all ordered pairs such that the condition for the ordered pair is given by x square minus 2 power y equals 2023 where xy takes natural numbers, and we are asked to find sum of all such ordered pairs such that your x coordinate and your y coordinate should be added up together. Alright. So initially when we see this problem, we tend to think that okay, we are only provided with one equation, but we are having two variables. So we are going to have infinitely many solutions. So and how we are going to deal with this problem, right? So to understand the nature of the problem, let's just start by directly solving the equation. X square minus 2 power y is equal to 2023 and x square would be equal to 2023 plus 2 power y. What I can do is that I know 2025 is a perfect square, so I can simply write when y equals 1. Alright, so when y equals 1, x square would be 2023 plus 2 power 1, which is equal to 2025, and x is equal to square root of 2025 is going to give me 45. So here x is becoming to be 45. So 45 comma 1 is one of your ordered pair. Now we are going to find the rest. So in order to find the rest of the ordered pairs, we will again have to examine the function. And how we are going to do is that, let me write the equation once again, which is x square minus 2 power y equals 2023. See, one thing you should understand is that 2023 is an odd number, alright, and 2 power y is always an even number. So now we are going to question what x square is going to take. X square can either be odd or be even depending upon the number. For example, 2 square is 4, 4 is even. 3 square is 9, 9 is odd. So x square has the liberty to be an odd number or it be an even number. But we know very well that x square cannot be even. The reason why it cannot be even is that difference of two even numbers is going to be an even number, right? So x square cannot be even is the hint over here. X square cannot be even. Now with the help of this hint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two cases. Alright, so first case, I'm going to assume that x to be an even number. So let me put x to be 2k, which means what happens when x takes all the even numbers. So initially we found out the value to be 45 when x is 45, your y equals 1 is the ordered pair that we earlier found out. Now we are going to analyze the equation for when x is even and when x is odd. So we'll get started when x is even. So when x is even, what you're going to have is x square to be 4k square. Again, your x square also becomes even. So which is simply not possible. Because if x square is even, then the equation does not get solved, right? So we just eliminated the possibility that x square is even. So x can't be even. So there is only one case now. That what happens when your x is odd. We are going to examine that as well. So when x is 2k plus 1, x square would become 2 4k square plus 1 plus 4k. So it is going to be something like 4 into k square plus k plus 1 is equal to 4. Let me write as 4q plus 1. This is of the form 4q plus 1. And similarly, I can write your 2 power y, right? 2 power y also I can write it in terms of 4q. Just watch how I am going to do it. So here y I have already taken to be 1. So we are going to analyze the case whenever y is greater than or equal to 2. So I am going to put y such that y equals 2 plus n, so that n can take values from 0, 1, 2, so on and so forth. So it is going to be like 2 square into 2 power n. So it is going to be 4 into 2 power n. Alright. So 2 power y is going to be of the form of 4 into q2. It is simply because y is greater than or equal to 2. When y equals 1, it is going to be in the form of 2 power 1, which is 2. But when y is greater than or equal to 2, it is going to be of 4q2. Now we'll write the equation once again. Your equation says x square minus 2 power y is equal to 2023. And now for the second case, which is the only possible case as of now, your x square are of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q1 plus 1 minus your 2 power y is of the form 4q2, and when I subtract it, I am getting 4 times of q1 minus q2 plus 1, and I can put it up like 4q3 plus 1. It also has to be of the form 4q plus 1 in order to have solutions such that y is greater than 2 and x is odd, which is the only possibility now. So 2023, let me divide it by 4. So 4 5s are 20. 20, I can bring down the 3 over here. So 4 5s are 20, again 3. So 2023 can be written as 5 naught times 4 plus 3. Alright, so it is of the form 4q plus 3. 4q plus 3. So 4q plus 1 can never be equal to 4q plus 3. So this is also not possible. This case has now become not possible. So technically we have eliminated all the ordered pairs, all the numbers that exist except for the number y equals 1. Alright. So 45 comma 1 is the only possibility that we just checked randomly. So the summation of this particular answer would be, summation of x plus y would be only one ordered pair, which is 45 plus 1. So your answer is going to be 46. So 46 is the answer for this question. So I hope you learned something new from this video. Please subscribe us for more such content. Thank you.